Hi, I'm the student Breno Lopes Mafra, and today I'm excited to present my in-class exercise 2 to the course of Web Application Development using .NET MVC from section 50 to 95. First of all, you can see that my application is running fine and smoothly here on the Google web page, and all the data is connected with the PostgreSQL. So here I have tables, projects, and tasks stored in the database application. Now, about the code, I will not explain each line of this, but I'm gonna just show my project structure. So here we have the areas folder. So for now we have a project management area where we have the controllers, models, and views. So I just migrate them to here, and I have a folder of shared views as well with some display templates for the project description, name, and the title of the project tasks. You can see here that I have the views for projects and tasks right here with create, delete, details, index, and the edit.cshtml. And here I have each action for each one of those. For project controller, the actions are here, and for the tasks as well, I have the project task controller where I can see everything running good here. Also, under the project controller.cs, it's important to note that I set each action to be asynchronous. So it has the async and the await features for each action. And here, under the global folder views, I have my shared views where I can set my layout here. So I'm using partial views for the header, the footer, and then I can see the navbar here as well. So the partial views are those ones. So they'll be the same for every page. And I also have the navbar here as well. And here, under shared folder, I have one more display template. This time it's the datetime.cshtml display template. And here I also implemented my project summary view components under the components in under areas. And here I also have a general global component under the project summary that is default.cshtml that's implemented in the application to show more details and tasks with text title and description for each project in the application. Now let's talk about the application running. Here in the navbar, it's aligned and with icons on it. It's properly added to the nav brand. The nav brand is also fixed here and it's correctly specified to the application name. A lot of features were added to the application since the last time. So here in projects, now we can see the ID name description. We have some actions and the project details. So here I can create a new project. Let's call it test with test description, put any date here, and status as a new program. So we can see it here as well that we just created. We can see details of it. We can edit the details of it and save. We can delete and view tasks. If the project has no tasks, we can create new tasks. So for example, if task one, I can put it like this and create. So we can see all the tasks under this project. We can see that the project ID is set on the URL as well. So that's the way we can manage tasks of a specific project. Coming back here, there's a project details column where we can see the name of all the details and also the tasks that we find and then we create on each one of these projects. If we click here in view tasks of a project, it's gonna show us each task of this specific project where we can see the details of the tasks. There's a button to go back to the list. We can edit them as well and then save it. And we also can delete confirmation web page. So here we can see more details and then just showing the deleting of a task. Also, as we have a shared layout, the navbar is the same for all the tabs, and then here we can search for projects or tasks. So here, for example, if I type the name of the project that we just created and select projects as a search type, we can see all the projects that start with the same input that we searched. And the application also does the same with the tasks. So for example, if I type task one here and select tasks as a search type and press search, it's gonna give me the name of the task, description, the ID, and all the details of this. To conclude, we can see that all the functionalities are working as expected and the code is well managed in the version control. Thank you.